42, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, GATE 2018. The equivalent impedance ZEQ for the infinite ladder circuit shown in the figure is dash. We have 4 options given to us. We need to know the basic Kirchhoff's laws in order to solve this problem. So, for a detailed lecture on this concept, please refer the NPTEL video Lecture 3 KCL, KVL and Network Analysis by Professor S. C. Dattaroy, IIT Delhi. The equivalent resistance of two resistors in series is given by R1 plus R2, and in this place if we have two impedances, then the equivalent impedance is given by X1 plus X2. Now, if we have two resistors R1 and R2 in parallel, then 1 by the equivalent resistance is given by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This can be simplified as R2 plus R1 divided by R1 R2. Similarly, when we have two impedances in parallel, then the equivalent impedance is given by X2 plus X1 divided by X1 into X2. Let's make use of these two informations in order to solve this problem. We have an infinite ladder circuit that is shown to us. We have to find out the equivalent impedance looking from this perspective. So, to make this circuit easy to comprehend, let us consider this circuit to have an inductor of 9J in series with the parallel combination of the 5J and the capacitor minus 1J along with ZEQ. Because if we observe, the equivalent impedance of this circuit comprises of two branches. One is the inductor branch, next one is the inductor capacitance branch, and this part keeps repeating. So we will have another 9J over here, then we will have another inductor in series with capacitor over here. So these parts keep repeating. So let us consider that this part is equal to the Z equivalent, and now let us find out the value of the equivalent impedance from this perspective. By doing this, we are just increasing the loop branch by 1, but in the given problem it is said that this is an infinite ladder, so adding one more branch to this ladder will not affect the equivalent impedance by so much. The equivalent impedance is given by 9J plus the parallel combination of 5J minus 1J in parallel with ZEQ, which is equal to 9J plus 4J parallel with the ZEQ. Therefore, Z equivalent is given by 9J plus ZEQ into 4J divided by ZEQ plus 4J. On taking LCM, we will be getting 9J into Z equivalent minus 36 plus 4J into Z equivalent divided by Z equivalent plus 4J. On simplification, we can get the value of equivalent impedance. So this implies that Z equivalent square plus 4J into the equivalent impedance minus 9J into equivalent impedance minus another 4J into equivalent impedance plus 36 is equal to 0. So this implies that we will be getting a quadratic equation like this. So upon solving, we will be getting the value of the equivalent impedance to be 4.5J plus or minus 6.708J.
Therefore, the equivalent impedance could be something around plus 12J, or it could be something around minus 2.2J. In the given case, this cannot be capacitive. Therefore, the equivalent impedance of this network is plus 12J.
The answer is option A, 12J. Thank you.